I was fascinated in the concept of the overview effect, which is the experience that astronauts get when they first go into space and they look down at the Earth for the first time. There's a sense of awe and wonder when they look at the Earth and see the sort of fragility and the beauty of it. With this Earth artwork, I was just very keen to give the public an opportunity to see our planet as though they are floating in space. The Earth that we've made here is being created with NASA imagery. It's 1.8 million times smaller than the real thing. And it's being created working with a company based in Bristol that make hot air balloons. It comes with a surround sound composition that I've commissioned by a composer called Darren Jones. So art can be used as a tool to help kind of communicate the sense of the fragility of our planet. And it's a useful method, I suppose, to help communicate science as well. So I think art has a great value to help do its part towards combating climate change. So I'm hoping over the coming years we'll present this artwork in different cultures and uncover those stories and different beliefs. So it's both this sort of installation artwork, but at the same time the Earth will act as a venue. So when it gets presented in different festivals and museums around the world, the host will be able to program a whole series of events underneath it that perhaps might relate to issues of climate change, astronomy or biology perhaps as well. And from there, anything's possible. And I'm really looking forward to seeing what happens as this artwork tours around the world.